Completed, children? What you hear? Okay. Okay. Finish reading? Okay, you can read. Yes, sure. Sure. Right, time up. Sure. Okay. So the identity for the first one is a minus b the whole square. Okay. Equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. What is a? 2x squared y. And what's b? 3x, not minus. Minus b is minus 3. Minus b is minus 3xy squared. So b is 3xy squared. 3xy squared. So now, which part of the identity is like the question? This one is like the question, right? The question is of the form a minus b the whole square. So this is the answer. This is the answer. So now we should write the answer here, right? So the answer has three terms. A squared minus 2 into a into b plus b squared. Okay? So a squared. See the square we've already written here. A 2x squared y. So a square minus 2 into a. This is a. Into b. This is b. Okay. And here it is b squared. So 3xy squared. All right. Now, you'll have to square everything inside the bracket. 2 squared, 4. X squared, the whole square. X to the power 4. Y squared. Minus 2 to the 4. 4 3s are 12. Then x squared into x. X squared into x. Here. X squared into x. X cubed. Y into y squared. Y cubed. Correct? We multiplied everything. The numbers we multiplied. 2 to the 4, 4 3s are 12. And then the x's, x squared into x, x cubed. Then the y's, y into y squared, y cubed. Plus 3 squared is 9, x squared, y squared, the whole square. Y squared is squared, y to the power 4. All right? Please check your answer, children. I didn't complete the second. Okay, complete. I'll wait. Yeah. Hmm. Done. Okay. Second one. Yeah. So which identity will you use for this one?
A plus B, A plus B into A minus B is equal to square minus B square.
Very good. Yes. Identity is A plus B into A minus B equal to A squared minus B squared. So the question is like this. The question is like this. A plus B into A minus B. So this is your answer. Where? What is A? Pi PQ. And B? 1. Because see, plus B is plus 1. So B is 1. Or minus B is minus 1. No. Minus B is minus 1. See, minus B is minus 1. So in anyways, B is 1. B is 1. Okay. So now we are supposed to write the answer here. The answer is A squared minus B squared. A squared minus B squared. So A is this one. Minus this is B. 25. Pi squared is 25. P squared, Q squared. Everything in the bracket has to be squared. Minus 1. Online children, got this right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Yeah. Thank you, lovely.
Homework not a classroom.
Class. Completed? Identity?
Ma'am, a square minus a minus b holds on a plus
No, I changed the sign.
a plus
Have
b.
you taken minus or plus? Okay, fine. It's okay.
Ma'am, a plus
You just have to change the sign. No, plus 2AB it will be. That's all. Yeah.
a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square.
Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Relax. Take it easy. Take it light. Okay. A plus B the whole squared is equal to A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. This part is the question. So this is the answer where A is 2 by 3 x squared and B is 9 by 10 y cubed. So now answer A squared plus 2 into A into B plus B squared. So 2 by 3, this is A squared. A we have to write here. This is A. And this is B. This one is B. And here 2 into A into B. 2 into A. This is A into B. Into B. You can simplify. Within the bracket, you can simplify. 2 ones are, 2 fives are. Somebody's mic is enabled. Please disable your mic. 3 ones are, 3 threes are. Within the 2AB term, you can simplify. Yeah. So now this will be 4 by 9 x to the power 4 plus
6 by 5.
not 6. 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are here.
2 ones are.
Oh, 2's cancel. Oh, so sorry. So 2 into 3, 6. Yeah, sorry. 6 by
5.
5 x squared y cubed. Correct. Plus
9 by 10.
not 9 by 10.
81 by 100.
81 by 100.
Y to the power 6.
Yeah. 9 into 9 is 81. 10 into 10 is 100. Y cubed the whole square. Y cubed the whole square. Multiply the powers. 3 to the 6. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Got it? Identity?
A plus A, x plus A into x plus B is equal to x square plus x A plus B minus x1 of
A plus B of X.
x plus AB.
AB. Okay, so here because the first terms are the same, x to the power 4, x to the power 4. The second terms are different. The first term in both the brackets, the first term is the same, x to the power 4, x to the power 4. The second terms are different. So we need to use identity x plus A into x plus B, where you see the first term is x in both the brackets and the second terms are different, A and B. Yeah, the signs can be different. So then we'll take A as minus 2 by x square. If the sign does not match, we'll take A. So here A will be minus 2 by x square. The first term is same in both the brackets. The second terms are different. So the identity is x plus A into x plus B is equal to x squared plus A plus B of x. That's how you read it. X squared plus A plus B of x plus AB. Where? Yeah, Akshita, what is x? Hasini, what's x? This is the question. This is the
X to the
answer.
power 4, ma'am.
X to the power 4. What about A?
2 by x square.
2 by, just 2 by x square?
Minus 2 by x square.
Minus 2 by x squared. Why? Why minus?
Because in question there is a minus sign, ma'am.
Because in the identity it is plus A. But in the question, as you said, it's minus 2 by x squared. So in the identity, it is plus A. But in the expression given in the question, it is minus 2 by x squared. So when you compare, you can see plus A is nothing but A. So A is equal to minus 2 by x squared. Correct. And what about B?
X to the power 6 by 3.
Very good. Okay, so the left-hand side is the question, the right-hand side is the answer. So we'll put brackets for the answer. X squared, this is x squared, plus A plus B of x. A plus B of x, you should write x here, plus AB, plus AB. Okay, so what is x squared? This is x squared. Then A plus B. A. What is A? Minus 2 by x square plus x to the power 6 by 3 of x. Yeah. Of x plus AB plus AB minus 2 by x squared into x to the power 6 by.
Can we take the negative of the number and put the reciprocal? Or we can divide x to.
Which one? Come again.
Starts from, can we put negative of the number and take reciprocal?
Why?
Because x squared.
You can use the law of exponents and subtract the powers. Okay.
How multiplication? And multiplication only from this fraction can be done.
Yeah.
With addition.
Yes.
Like negative.
It's division.
6 by x, 3x to 1.
See, it will be minus 2 by 3, x to the power 6 minus 2, 4. Minus 2 by 3, x to the power 4. Okay. Next.
X to the power 8.
X to the power 8 plus what's the common denominator here? 3x square. 3x square is a common denominator. 3x square. So we should multiply minus 2 with 3. 3x square. Look at the denominators. 3 and x square. 3x square is a common denominator. So there is x square here. So we should multiply the numerator with 3. Minus 2 into 3. Minus 6. Then plus
X square.
X
square.
8, ma'am.
X square. Correct. Should multiply the numerator with x square. So x to the power 6 into x square. Add the powers. X to the power 8.
X 8.
Into x to the power 4, which is outside.
That's
Plus into minus is minus. Plus into minus is minus. 2 by 3. X to the power. Here's division, right? So we'll have to subtract the powers. 6 minus 2, 4. Bases are same. Bases are same and it's division. X to the power 6 is in the numerator. X square is in the denominator. So subtract the powers. 6 minus 2, 4. Not clear?
how will you get x to the power 8?
Yeah, the LCM is 3x squared, right? Yeah, so we need to multiply the numerator with x squared. X to the power 6 into x squared.
It's the same, but
You didn't?
it's the same method. But I thought it was same instead.
Oh. Sorry. Next step. X to the power 8 plus.
Because first one
Yeah, we'll write x to the power 8 first and then minus 6.
minus
I'll just take the next slide. There's no place here. I'll take the next slide. X to the power 8. Then you can see this outside we have x to the power 4. In the denominator we have x squared. So you can subtract the powers. Like you can cancel x square and here x square will remain. You can cancel x square and this is x to the power 4. So x to the power 2 will remain. So you will have plus in the bracket x to the power 8 minus 6. Outside we have x squared minus 2 by 3 x to the power 4. Now you need to open the bracket. X power 8 plus multiply these two. We'll have to add the powers. X to the power 10 minus 6x squared minus 2 by 3 x to the power 4. Just present the earlier slide. Yeah.
School they took only one LP English, one LP for
Oh.
they only did two submissions. They gave us simple submission. Yes, then they did also.
Yeah, no. I see.
What substitution was there?
Not sufficient from 9th standard. That's all, no? No.
4 pages. That also to identify.
No, that will show up in yeah. Understood?
And it's good for subdivision or
Next question. Not subdivision.
second question.
Yeah. So this is the first one. All right. Completed all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll just do the same thing again because we are not very sure about the working.
Same question.
Yeah. So we'll do it together. Like. Okay, just try this again, children. Writing the same question.
Challenge questions.
Okay. Try it again by yourself. Submit. Okay.
Oh, 1 by 2.
Hmm.
The last is that I'm like cancelling x square and x to the power 4. Then the 3 remains here itself.
I didn't write that. Oh, I don't know. Yeah.
What will happen to this x square?
We multiplied that, no?
And both denominators same only. We can build.
One. No, no, no. Okay. Also, look at your screen. We'll do it again together. So what's the answer? X squared. So it will be x to the power 4, the whole square. X squared plus A. This is A. Plus B. This is B. Of X. This is X. Plus A into B. A. This is A. Into B. This is B. Okay. Also, you understand the substitution? Now, x to the power 8. Now, here we have to take the common denominator. 3x square is the common denominator. There is x square, so we should multiply the numerator by 3. Here there is 3, so we should multiply the numerator by x square. So minus 2 into 3, minus 6. Plus x to the power 6 into x square. Into x square is x to the power 8. 6 plus 2, 8. And then x to the power 4, which is outside. Plus
minus 2.
Plus into minus is minus. Plus into minus is minus. 2 by 3. And here x to the power 6 divided by x square. X to the power 4. Now here also actually we are using law of exponents. Power 4, power 2. So 4 minus 2, 2. X square and x power 4. 4 minus 2, 2. One minute. Okay, so x square will remain here. So it is x to the power 8 plus, I'll just write what is here. X power 8 minus 6 by 3 into x to the power 2 minus 2 by 3 x to the power 4. The earlier working, I missed the 3. Avanish told me now that I missed the 3 here. In the next step, I missed to write the 3. So please see that here. No, you should not. I missed the 3 children. The denominator 3, I missed it here. Please correct it. So x power 8 plus, in the bracket we have x power 8 minus 6 divided by 3 of x square minus 2 by 3 x to the power 4. Now open the bracket. Open the bracket. So it will be x power 8. If you, for the sake of convenience, you can write it like this. x to the power 8 by 3 minus 6 by 3 x square minus 2 by 3 x to the power 4. You understand what I've written?
Yes, ma'am.
X to the power 8 by 3 minus 6 by 3. Now multiply. Multiply this and this. What will you get? X power 8 into x power 2. X power 10. X power 10 divided by 3. Correct? And here 6 by 3 is 2. So 2 into x square, 2x square. So minus 2x square. 6 by 3 is 2. 2 into x square is 2x square. We need to multiply both these terms with x square outside. Then minus 2 by 3 x to the power 4. Minus 2 by 3 x to the power 4. Yeah. X power 4. Is it visible there?
It's not complete.
X power 4.
It's
Yeah. Like that enthusiasm in me. Finish writing, Harini? Okay, those who have finished can just try this. This is the next question. Evaluate. The heading is evaluate. No hurry. Those who have not finished, please finish this. Those who finished can try this. This is the next heading. Evaluate. Evaluate. Second main heading, evaluate or find the value of. No, no discussing. 1 minute. No, here it is find the value of x, children. 1 minute. Find the value of x. The heading is find the value of x. Okay. Find the value of x. Yeah,
A square minus B square.
correct.
We will take a 17 or negative 17.
No, compare. A square is 23 square minus b square is minus 17 square. So minus and minus will get cancelled. So b square is 17 square. So b is 17.
Actual value in subtraction.
Yeah. Completed, Harini? No, this one, the fourth one.
It must be I got 240. 240. 240 x is equal to 6 into 240 cancel. 240 point 50. Within the 40 like this.
Yeah. So how do we work this? 6x is equal to.
A square.
You're not supposed to find 23 into 23. You should not find. Stop. Listen to me. 23 into 23 you should not find. This is of the form a squared minus b squared.
Is equal to A.
The question is a squared minus b squared. So what's the answer? A plus b into a minus b. See, this 23 square minus 17 square is of the form a square minus b square. So the answer is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Where a is 23,
Is 17.
b is 17. See, you can just do that in the rough column here. See here, 23 square minus 17 square. So this is like a squared minus b squared. So what is a? 23. And what is b? B square is 17 square. So b is 17, no? See, like square and square you cancel. B is 17. Square and square you cancel. A is 23. Minus minus. Minus b minus 17. So b is 17. So 6x is equal to a plus b, 23 plus 17 into a minus b, 23 minus 17. That's the first step. Then 6x is equal to 23 plus 17 is 40 into 23 minus 17 is 6. Now x is equal to, no, it should not multiply.
Same answer.
Yeah, you get the same answer.
I did both of them.
Okay. 40 into 6 by 6. So 6 and 6 gets cancelled. X is equal to 40. No, no, no. 1 minute. 1 minute. No, no, no.
And we can do like that.
Yeah, Navneet, yes. You should not actually square. You should not actually square 223 squared 529 minus 289. You should not work like that. You should not actually find the squares. You must go through an identity. You should not. You should use an identity. You will get the same answer, but the procedure.
What I thought was A square minus B square was the
Okay. If it's like a square minus b square, the answer is a plus b into a minus b. If it is like a plus b into a minus b, then the answer is a square minus b square. Repeat, repeat.
LHS and RHS.
See, it takes you this long to realize that you have to repeat it. Completed, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
The last is equal to 40 into 6 by 6 is like the
Sure, multiply. Yeah.
No, the answer would be same.
Answer will be same, but
But identity is in the chapter and if we do squaring method,
correct.
they will not give that.
Mm.
They give only half mark. But human will be every day will not bring me that.
Yeah, this is the next question. Show me a book from there. Where do you multiply 100 into 4, 400? 100 into 4 by 4. Why 10 square? But why should you write that? See?
I got the answer, ma'am.
Yeah, what's answer? He's right. Avinash is perfectly right.
100, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yeah, Srijit?
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
What's answer?
100, ma'am.
Correct. So 4x is equal to, now this is of the form a squared minus b squared. The question is like a squared minus b squared. So what is a?
52.
52. What's b?
48.
Yeah. Now what is here is a squared minus b squared. So what should be the answer? A plus b, 52 plus 48 into a minus b, 52 minus 48. See, here it is like a square minus b square. You should not write the same thing again. So you must write the other side of the identity, a plus b into a minus b. If you have a plus b into a minus b, then you should write the answer as a squared minus b squared. So 4x is equal to, when you add, what do you get? 100 into, subtract 4. X is equal to, Navneet, x is equal to 100 into 4 divided by 4. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. X is equal to 100. Yes. Next one. Finished, Harini?
Next time, if like this, we do another some like this one. Each one what was
No, it's a different one.
A square minus b square only on this one square. Huh? I'm wrong. I'm just this correct or wrong.
That's correct. So, don't get distracted. Yeah, correct. Wait, one, I didn't see. Yeah. The procedure is right. I don't know if your answer is right. The procedure is right.
Answer.
No, I don't have the
Yeah,
answer.
answer is correct.
No, I don't know the multiplication of it.
Correct, but you can calculate it.
Yeah. So 178 into 178 is 178
Square.
178 the whole square minus 22 to 22 is 22 squared or 22 the whole square. Both are the same. You can not, like, it's okay even if you don't write the bracket. You can write it like this also. So now this is of the form a squared minus b squared. What is a? 178. B 22. So it is a plus b into a minus b because the question is like a squared minus b squared. 178 into 178 is 178 squared. 22 into 22 is 22 squared. So this is still the question only. A squared minus b squared. So the answer is a plus b. This is a plus b into a minus b. So when you add these two numbers, you get 200. And when you subtract, you get 156. 2, 1 carried over, 1 carried over, 3, 1, 2, 2, 0. Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Why are you signing up and coming? It's
Not needed. That's not needed.
can we bring
No, please. Shrikant, answer this. Are you there, Shrikant?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please answer this question.
Ma'am, this question.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
You understood the earlier one or no?
Ma'am, I understood the earlier one, ma'am.
Yeah, similar. The numerator is of the form a squared minus b squared, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is a?
Ma'am, 58,
B?
42, ma'am.
Okay, so a squared minus b squared is a plus b into a minus b. So how will you write a plus b?
Ma'am, 58 plus 42.
Very good. Into a minus b.
58 minus 42, ma'am.
Correct. Divided by 16. This is the first step.
Okay, ma'am.
Now what is 58 plus 42?
Ma'am, 58 plus 42 is... Ma'am, 100, ma'am.
Into 58 minus 42?
Ma'am, 4.
4. By 16. Now simplify. 4 ones are 4 fours are. Then again 4 ones are 4 25 times. So the value of this expression is 25.
Okay,
Now supposing your teacher gives you marks like this. Shrikant, this is your score. This is your score. Okay. Out of 25. That means
58 minus 42, 16.
it's 4.
No.
Oh, Shrikant, you
ma'am.
misled me. You சொன்னது நான் அப்படியே எழுதினேன். Shrikant. 100 into what is 58 minus 42? 16. The children here are telling me that I'm wrong.
Got it correct. He said that they are also correct. So I stressed it.
100. 58 minus 42, 100. 58 minus 42 is 16. 1 6. Okay, so now your teacher says, Shrikant, this is your score. 58 square minus 42 square by 16 out of 100. So how much have you scored, Shrikant?
Ma'am, 100.
Yeah, you have scored 100 on 100.
1 out of 100. Very bad score. 30 score.
Very good. So the value of this expression is 100.
Okay, ma'am.
Now please write down, all of you.
Thirds and thirds and one.
Yeah. The third one will take the next one.
And then fourth question.
4, huh?
Well, four. Yeah, then we're not given fourth. Fourth. This is there and
Mm. So what's that number between 9.8 and 10.2?
0.
9.8, 10 point, 9.8, 9.9,
Yes.
10,
But it's
10.1, 10.2. 10, no? 10 is between these two numbers, right? Is 10 between 9.8 and 10.2? 9.8, 9.9, 10, 10.1, 10.2, 10. Okay, so how do you write 9.8 using 10? You should write 9.8 using 10. 10 minus what is 9.8? 10 plus what is 10.2? So 10 minus 0.2 is 9.8 and 10 plus 0.2 is 10.2. See, 10 means 10.0 minus 0.2. Subtract 0, 10, 9, 10. 10 minus 2, 8. Okay? 10 minus 2, 8.9. Subtract 10.0 and 0.2. 9.8 is 10 minus 0.2. 10.2 is 10 plus 0.2. So this is the form a minus b into a plus b. Yeah. So what's identity? A minus b into a plus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. See that what we have here is of the form a minus b into a plus b. What we have here is of the form a minus b into a plus b. 10 minus 0.2 into 10 plus 0.2. So the answer is a squared minus b squared, where a is 10 and b 0.2. So this is 10 squared minus 0.2 squared. Correct? 10 squared is 100 minus what is 0.4? 0.4. 0.2 into 0.2 is 0.4. 0.2 into 0.2. 2 to the 4. Then 1 plus 1, 2 decimal places. 0.04. Yes, you did say.
99.06.
Then 100 marks will take away zeros.
100 by 100 is 1 mark, so I get full marks. And AI is value of 0.
Children, first step is to write 9.8 as 10 minus 0.2 and then 10.2 as 10 plus 0.2. So now the question looks like a minus b into a plus b. That's the question. So what's the answer? A squared minus b squared is the answer. What is a? 10. B 0.2. Now write the answer. A squared minus b squared is the answer. So 10 squared minus 0.2 squared. 10 squared is 100 minus 0.2 into 0.2. 2 to the 4. But 2 decimal places. So 0.04. Now how do you subtract? 100 minus 0.04. Subtract. 0, 10, 10 becomes 9, 10, 10 becomes 9, 10, 10 becomes 9, 10. 10 minus 4, 6, 9.99. So it's 99.96. What? 996. 99.96.
Triple 96. Double 9.6. Double 9.96. It is like 4 digits.
See, focal very important. Yeah. Yeah. Next one. Yeah, Sahasra, how do you answer this?
Ma'am, I'm still doing it.
No, doesn't take this long. What's the number between 113 and 87?
100 plus 13 and 100 minus 13.
Yeah, you're right. 100 plus 13 into 100 minus 13. Perfect. So this is of which form? This is of the form A plus B into A minus B, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what's the answer?
100 square minus 13 square.
Correct. So the answer is 100 squared minus 13 squared because the question is of the form A plus B into A minus B. The question is of the form A plus B into A minus B. So the answer is A squared minus B squared, where A is 100 and B is 13. You're right. So 100 squared minus, did not use the bracket. 100 squared minus 13 squared.
10,000 minus.
Oh, you're working on this, is it? Hmm.
No.
Yeah.
10 plus 10 plus 0.7.
The procedure is right. Yeah. Show me a book, I'll see. Yeah, the procedure is right. Show me a book, Avnish. Yeah, that's correct. Procedure is right. So 10.7 should be written as 10 plus 0.7. 10.7 should be written as 10 plus 0.7, the whole square. So this is of the form A plus B the whole square. This is of the form A plus B the whole square. So the answer will be A square plus 2AB plus B square, where A is 10 and B is 0.7. So A squared, 10 squared, plus 2 into A into B, 2 into 10 into 0.7, plus B squared, plus 0.7 squared. So 10 squared is 100, plus 10 into 0.7 is 7. 7 twos are 14, plus
0.4. 0.49. 49. 0.7.
7 sevens are 49.
2 decimal places. So 1 to 0.0.
0.49.
49. So answer 149. I'm correct.
Very good. Very good.
Today class everything.
Very good.
Come back. Last class everything.
0.7 into 10 is 7. Into 2, 14. 0.7 into 0.7. 7 sevens are 49 and 2 decimal places. Because 0.7 into 0.7. 1, 2 decimal places. So 0.49. So it's 114.49.
First I wrote a 0.049 because the previous sum one that was on this. Then I after before you first I changed it. First I root is 4.9. I'm not saying it is same. I two root is 4.9. You see? You noticed.
Completed?
It's not challenge. Not challenge. Challenge. Challenge.
Completed online children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Yeah, try this, children. Yeah, Srijit, how will you express this?
Ma'am.
Yeah, how will you express 99.4 and 100.1?
Ma'am, we consider it as a plus b square, ma'am.
No, no. Oh, no, you first express. Only if you express the numbers, can you decide the identity. Before
Okay,
that, you
ma'am.
cannot decide. How do you want to write 99.4 and 100.1?
Ma'am, 99.4 plus 100.1. That one, ma'am.
No, no, no. What's the number between 99.4 and 100.1? What
Ma'am,
comes?
can I tell?
0.6. No, correct. That number is right, but more clearly. Yes, Hasini? You wanted to say right, Hasini?
Ma'am, 100 minus 0.6.
Correct. Correct. 100
It is
minus
100.
0.6.
100 plus. 100 plus 0.1.
Correct. So, which identity will you use to simplify this?
X squared plus A plus B X plus AB.
No, this one looks like what? 100 minus 0.6 into 100 plus 0.1 looks like, or is of the form? This is of the, you're saying the answer. So this one looks like what? It looks like x plus a into x plus b. This one looks like x plus a into x plus b. You said the answer. So the answer is x squared plus a plus b of x plus ab. Okay, Hasini, what is x here?
100.
Okay. Srijit, what is a? Akshita, what is a? What is b? No, not
Because
Ma'am, 0.6, ma'am.
Mine, minus 0.6. Yeah, see, this is x plus a. This is x plus a into x plus b. Yeah, minus 0.6. And b is 0.1.
still the answer is same.
No. When the signs change, your answer will be different.
Oh, instead of this,
No, that subtraction in the bracket a plus b, different sign subtract, wouldn't have put the correct sign. It will change. X plus a into x plus b. A is minus 0.6 and b is 0.1. Correct?
can you continue?
Yeah.
I'm reading using 100 right plus minus 0.6 plus 0.1 of 100 plus 0 minus 0.6 into 0.1.
Correct.
And then 10,000 plus 0.5 into 100 plus 0.06.
Minus.
So 10,000 minus.
Children, between 99.4 and 100.1 is 100. So you must write 99.4 using 100. 100 minus 0.6. And 100.1 is 100 plus 0.1. Now this is of the form x plus a into x plus b, where x is 100, a is minus 0.6 and b is 0.1. This is the question. This is the question. So this is the answer. So substitute for x, a and b. Akshita, have you finished? What is minus 0.6 plus 0.1?
Minus 0.
minus
0.0. Sorry, minus 0.1.
into 100 plus
Plus minus 0.0.
plus into minus minus 0.5 into 100.
Minus 50.
50.
50 minus 0.5.
What is 10,000 minus 50?
9,950.
9,950 minus
9,950.06.
what's answer?
9,999. Point 044.
Wrong.
9,950 point.
No. Or if you tell me, work simplify and tell me the final answer.
Ma'am, 99949.0.
How will you get 999? 10,000 minus 50 is 9,000
9,949.0. 50.
point?
0.
No.
Ma'am, 9,999.94.
How can you get
0.0?
9,999? 10,000 minus 50 is 9,950.
9,044.
9,944. Disable your mic. Point? Why?
0.04.
No.
Ma'am, 89.44.
No.
Ma'am, 9949.94.
9949 point?
94.
Correct.
Oh, sorry. Words. They are not.
What?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
9,949.94, ma'am.
Correct. You work or the calculator work?
No, ma'am.
You work, no?
No, ma'am.
இந்தானே work பண்ண ஸ்ரீஜித். Okay. 10,000 minus 50.
I only worked it.
Okay, it's 9,950. All of you see the subtraction here? I'll do it for you. 9,950.00. Look at the screen. 0.00 and 0.06. 9,950.00 because this one is 9,950 minus 0.06. Okay, so this is 4. This becomes 10, 9, 10, 9, 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 0, 9. Point 9 minus 0, 9. 4, 9, 9. How many different answers?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Other than the Subtraction நான் காமிச்சிருக்கேன். Okay. You got it right? Very good. நான் correct தான் சொல்றேன். Very good.
Another challenge question. This is not finished question. Take from 9th standard. Take from what? And take from my book. Yeah. I will give you a chance. Welcome. And one more challenge. From last I will decide what is the challenge. No, challenge question. Yeah.
Yeah, Navneet, what's the first step? The whole square. 100 minus
100 minus 2.7.
the whole square. So that's of the form.
97.
That's of which form? Which identity? A minus B the whole squared. A minus B the whole squared. Hundred minus 2.7 the whole square. See, now supposing we are not able to find out, okay, now 100 minus what is 97.3? If that is difficult, what you should do? You should identify 100 because 97 is close to 100, no? 100 you should identify. Then you subtract 100, you subtract, that is 100.0 and 97.3. Okay, you will get 2.7. See, like if 5 minus 3 is 2, then 5 minus 2 is 3, right?
Now I did like this. Plus 0.3.
No, you should use 100. Yeah, yeah. So here you will get 2.7. So 100 minus 2.7 is 97.3. 97.3 should be written as 100 minus 2.7. You should not write it as 90 plus 7.3. 90 plus 7.3. No. So what's identity? A minus B the whole square is equal to
minus 2AB plus square.
is B minus 2.7 or simply 2.7?
Minus 2.7, ma'am.
Ma'am, 2.7, ma'am.
Okay, correct. 2.7 is correct. See here, 100 minus 2.7 the whole square. Compare this with A minus B the whole square, Srijit. See here, A is 100, no?
Yes, ma'am.
இங்க மைனஸுக்கு மைனஸ் இருக்கு. அப்ப B வந்து வெறும் 2.7 தானே?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
See, it's like minus B is minus 2.7. Minus B minus 2.7. அப்ப B is 2.7, right?
Yes, ma'am.
B is 2.7. A squared.
And 10,000 plus 540 plus 7.29, which is 10.
10,000?
10,000 plus minus 540 plus minus
27 into 2 is 5.4. Yeah.
540 minus 540.
Minus 540.
Plus 7.2.
Or you write, Navneet? 72.9.
9, 4, and now 10,000 minus 54 is 9,460.
9,460.
9,467 plus 0.7. 9,467.29. I'm used to that.
Okay. Got it?
First reading. It is under means 0.7. Now I took it as 97 plus 0.3.
No.
My teacher used to say we can take lesser, but hundreds are easier.
You can take plus, but you should try to use 10, 100. Numbers ending with 0. So try to use numbers ending with 0. Not 100, 200.
No, we can use 100 no, because that one.
No, it will be 197. No, that number will become large. 3.
The whole number. But hundreds are like one, so we just need to
See, when it you can get the answer whichever way you express it. But how quickly you are able to do it is with smaller numbers and with numbers ending with 0. When you use smaller numbers and combined with numbers ending with 0, then you can, so you're talking about 197. Yeah, if you write 197 squared. Yes, if you write it as if you write it as 100 plus 97 the whole square, you will get it. Using A plus B the whole square, you will get the correct answer. But this will take a longer time.
Yeah, 97 square. But
Yeah.
Square
But when you write 197 as 200 minus 3,
can literally do it now. 40
you can do this faster. Yeah.
40,000.
It's about which one will help you finish the answer in less time. So you should go with 200 minus 3 the whole square. Completed, children?
Yes,
Online children completed?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Say if the term is a monomial, binomial, trinomial. All right. Yeah, ABC is a monomial. It's a monomial. What about A squared plus BC minus 7? Trino. A squared plus BC minus 7 is a trinomial. Trinomial. Okay. What about 2A plus 3A?
Binomial.
2A plus 3A is a
Binomial. Unsimplified monomial.
online children. 2A plus 3A is a
Ma'am,
Binomial.
binomial.
no. Whenever possible, you should, if possible, you should simplify. You must simplify. 2A plus 3A is 5A and 5A is a monomial. 5A is a monomial. Okay. X squared plus X squared plus X squared is a
Monomial.
what's the value?
3x squared. 3x squared.
What's the value of X squared plus X squared plus X squared?
3x squared.
3x squared. 3x squared and 3x squared is a monomial.
Yes.
What's so funny? Monomial. What's the degree of this polynomial? Oh, we haven't learned degree, right? No. Okay. Okay, all of you have completed the assignment. Akshita, Shrikant, Sahasra and Hasini.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, make a PDF and share the PDF on WhatsApp. All of you. Sahasra, Shrikant, Hasini and Akshita. Convert that to a PDF, put all the images in a PDF and share the PDF on WhatsApp for me. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. All right,
Okay,
children.
okay, ma'am.
Okay,
That's it for
ma'am.
today's session.
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Good night.
Today who started?
No. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ